Welcome to ST Academy. Today, let us put some light on TSAP Intermediate Exam 2021. Math 1B important questions. After the deletion of 30% of the syllabus, as we all know that IP has reduced its syllabus by 30%. Now students are waiting to know, or they are eagerly waiting to know, the important questions of Math 1B. In this video, we will give you important questions of all 1B, LAQs, SAQs and VSAQs. If you practice this all LAQs, SAQs and VSAQs, definitely it will give you maximum marks in your board exam. In the next video, we will also upload botany, zoology, 2A, 2B important question. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us watch the video. Let us see the important questions of Mathematics 1B. LAQs. That we know that LAQs will give you 7 marks in your board exam. The first chapter is straight line. The LAQs of straight line, I have listed 16 LAQs. These are very important LAQs. Practice each and every LAQs to get maximum marks in your board exam. If you practice this all LAQs, that will give you 7 marks from the chapter straight line. Next chapter is pair of straight line. I have listed 17 LAQs for pair of straight line. Very important questions, and there are some theorems also. Question number 3, question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6. These are theorem problems. Practice this problem because mostly in IP exam from pair of straight line they will ask the theorem questions. And these 17 LAQs will give you 14 marks from your IP exam. Let us see the next chapter is direction cosines and direction ratios. There are 10 LAQs I have listed here. Very important LAQs. The first one is if a ray makes alpha angles like alpha, beta and gamma, delta with 4 diagonals of the cube, find cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta. These are very important questions. 10 LAQs. Practice. This will give you maximum marks in your board exam as well as MCET exam. The next and the important chapter, that is differentiation. I have given 10 LAQs for differentiation. This will give you maximum 7 marks in your board exam. The next chapter, the very important chapter, tangent and normals. I have listed 12 LAQs. Very important LAQs. Practice each and every LAQs to get maximum marks in your board exam. The next chapter is maxima and minima. On this page, I have listed 3 LAQs. We have more LAQs also. Let us see the next one. The fourth one, fifth, sixth, 7 and up to 10. There are 10 LAQs from maxima and minima that will give you 14 marks from your board exam, because mostly maxima and minima they will ask 2 LAQs. So you will get one from tangent and normal, they will ask 1 LAQ, another one is from maxima and minima. If you practice tangent and normal and maxima and minima, definitely it will give you 14 marks in your exam. Let us go ahead with SAQs. We know that SAQs it carries 4 marks. The first chapter of SAQs is a locus. It's a very important chapter. Definitely it will give you 4 marks in IP. I have listed 9 SAQs here. The next chapter is transformation of axis. We know that transformation of axis every year in the board exam they will ask 4 marks question. So for you, I have referred 8 questions, very important questions. Practice each and every questions to get maximum marks. At least 4 marks you will get if you practice all these 8 questions. The next chapter is a straight line. I have listed here on this page 16 SAQs. These are very important SAQs. Find the point on the line 3x minus 4y minus 1 equals to 0, which are at a distance of 5 units from a point 3, 2. The first question. And there are 16 questions. Very important questions that definitely give you 4 marks in your IP exam. The next chapter is limits and continuity. SAQs. I have given 7 SAQ questions here. Practice this all questions. Definitely you will get 4 marks. Next is differentiation. I have given 6 questions, very important questions. The next chapter is tangent and normal. On this page, I have given you 6 SAQs. Practice each and every SAQs. This chapter is very important for both IPE and EAMCET. Next SAQs of tangent and normals. There are total 12 SAQs. The 7th, 8 and up to 12. These are very important questions. Practice each and every question to get maximum marks in your board exam. Let us go ahead with VSAQs questions. Very important VSAQs question I have given from a straight line, because mostly from a straight line they will ask two VSAQs. The one part I have given 10 question, another part I have given 14. These are very important. I also have mentioned the answers of the questions. Practice all those questions, verify with the answers. That gives you 4 marks. That's 2 plus 2, because mostly straight line they will ask 2 VSAQs. The next is 3-dimensional coordinate. This is a 2 marks, very important chapter. It's a basic question they will ask: equilateral triangles, centroid, isosceles, whether they are the given points are collinear or not, or find the fourth vertex of a parallelogram. These are the very easy questions. Normally you did in your 10th standard, same questions. Next is plane, very important chapter. Definitely it will give you 2 marks. I have listed 11 questions. Practice these questions. And 3D and plane, these are very important chapters for both IP exam and for the EAMCET exam. Next chapter is limits. I have given here 8 questions of limit. So after solving, verify with the answers. The next limit, they will ask 2 VSAQs from the limit chapter. So in the first part I have given, last page I have given you 8 VSAQs, and on this page we have 2 SAQs, that is total 10 SAQs from one part. Another part I have given 11 VSAQs. These are very important VSAQs. Practice each and every question and verify with the answers. Definitely that will give you 4 marks, that is 2 plus 2. Differentiation, very important chapter. Mostly if you know differentiation, practice differentiation, because differentiation is the only chapter that help you to do integral problem and differential problem in your second year, because as you are going to second year after passing your first year. But if you are well aware about differentiation, definitely that will help you to do integration and differential equation in second year. Differentiation, I have mentioned 11 VSAQs. Practice each and every VSAQs to get maximum marks in your board exam. Next page I have also mentioned some more VSAQs. There are total 15 VSAQs, because differentiation they will ask 2 VSAQs. The one part I have given you 15 VSAQs, another part I have given 14 VSAQs. The next one is error and approximation. I have given 7 VSAQs. Practice each and every VSAQs to get maximum marks and verify with the answers. Next is tangent and normal. I have given 7 VSAQs. Practice each and every VSAQs to get maximum marks in a board exam. So these are brief. The last one was tangent and normal. I have given 7 VSAQs. These are brief explanation or the important questions which are going to come in your intermediate board exams. Practice all LAQs, SAQs, VSAQs. Practice more differentiation problem, because differentiation is the only chapter that help you to understand second year mathematics of differential equation and integration. These are brief explanation of all LAQs, SAQs, VSAQs. I definitely guaranteed you, if you practice this all LAQs, SAQs and VSAQs, definitely you will get a maximum marks in your board exam. Practice this, and this also help you to go ahead in second year or to well prepared for the EAMCET exam. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and to never miss our videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified, and smash that like button.